On today's video, we're all gonna learn how to fry turkey. You, me, Wes, my wife, and Kyle, and Jim. Safety. Always safety first. Do not try this at home. And we're gonna do it under a wooden structure too. We're not supposed to do that. Here's the thing though, It's either you do it out in Oklahoma wind or blowing oil, blowing fire. Like, I feel like in here we have it contained. We have enough safety measures, but do not try this at home. We don't know what we're doing.
Welcome to Jackass. This is our a line of defense.
It's bigger than Dirty Bird.
That'll save us.
I'm feeling real safe right now.
Join along, see how it turns out.
Fried turkey, here we go.
And that dude right there, my crawfish pot, my shrimp boiling pot. They say I'm supposed to poke a bunch of holes in it, so they said under the legs. I guess you do this so the oil drains out. I am gonna tie the legs just to see what'll happen. Dukes, baby. Dukes on this bird. Probably should get the bottom first. Dirty bird, you know it. None of us know what we're doing, by the way, so we're just winging it. See what I did there? Everybody should leave a comment below when they see us doing something wrong. You know, we're trying to learn and grow here. So if you see us doing something wrong, leave us a comment. And then we'll see if the Team Kosmo Nation agrees with said wrongness. I think that's good. Man, I probably should have put something under the skin, huh? Ah, well. We'll get it next time. This is a learning experience right here. This is what we're gonna set it on. We're gonna stick it up the neck, stand it up, turn off the flame, lower it slowly, then turn the fire back on. We have a 12-pound turkey that we brined for 9 hours. Then we air dried it in the fridge overnight, fucking shanked it up so the oil can drain, rubbed it down with Dirty Bird, some Duke's mayo, some Dirty Bird. This is a 12-pound turkey. Yeah, 44 minutes, 45 minutes. Set a timer and yeah, cross our fingers, because this is an experiment. I'm looking forward to this. You guys nervous? That's a lot of oil. All right, you want to kill the flame, Kyle? All right, here we go. Gotta go slow. We nailed the oil. I say we give it like a couple seconds. That's a lot of freaking oil, dude. We're cooking with grease. She dropped about 50 degrees, man. But I could see, like, when we put it in there, it just sort of. Hey Siri, set a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Counting down.
Boom. All right, so we got about 21 minutes left. So far, so good. Everything's running as smooth. We've kept it in the green. Smells great. 21 minutes. Starting to get a lot of color on it too, from what I can see. You see us next? We'll be pulling turkey out. All right, so it's been 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the flames. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna see how we did. Woo! We fried the shit out of this. It's done. It's done, but I'm sure you could tell that from the pictures. That 4 minutes a pound, I don't know about that. So it's been 45 minutes and I'm pretty sure it's done. It's done. I don't know. Well, man, it's just dripping juice. We may be onto something here. All right, let's get the breast. Yeah, we got crispy skin, that's for dang sure. Let's see how we did. Pretty good. That is pretty good. If we had injected that, oh, that's good. Let's try that dark meat. Oh. You saw it here first. I gotta say, I thought it was gonna be Turkey Fryer 1, Kosmo 0, but it ain't. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes, print it off and make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Dude, that's good. Woo! We fried the shit out of this.